We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine.
Oh, you're recording it.
Yeah. You just need a little bit of water. How's your first dumping, baby? So today is a beautiful day. It's supposed to be raining all day today, so I'm assuming that the rain's gonna start sometime before this afternoon. Do you know what time it is, Mike?
11:15.
So it's only 11:15, and so far this morning we've had breakfast. I've done a couple loads of laundry, so Mike has also started clearing out this whole section right here of land, because it was all, we think, raspberry canes. They're everywhere. Raspberries and strawberries are everywhere on this property, and although that could be awesome, it could also be bear bait, which we know there are bears up here. So we want to clear out all of, or most of it I should say, and then, because all behind me, all that is raspberry canes. So I do want berries and I do want strawberries and raspberries, but just not the hundreds that are there. So I thought I'd also take you and show you how we're doing laundry off grid. So we run the generator, although we won't have to soon because we're going to get the solar up and running. But this is my portable washing machine. So I don't have it running now because I turned the generator off so I could show you how I do my laundry. But basically, in a nutshell, the clothes go in here, they wash, and then on this side, they spin dry, and they do dry, like they're almost dry. I'm just, of course, the first thing to pull out was Mike's underwear, but they are pretty dry. We've been collecting water down at the well, because we have to have solar for the pump to be running. Once solar's up, we'll have a lot more. We've been kind of clearing out our front entrance because there was a lot of stuff that wasn't ours. So some stuff we are keeping, but we're just trying to collect things in piles instead of it being everywhere, so we can take a solid look of what we have. I'll show you where our well is from the house. I don't know if you can see. So there is a line that runs up, because this is all a hill here, and the well will run up or pump up so we can get water to the house. But right now we're just hand pumping, so we're getting all our exercise and workout in. So right there is the well, right there, and we've just been collecting water with the pump and bringing it up until the solar's up and running, and then the pump that's in there can pump it up to the house. But I mean, I'm not going to complain. Look at this view. You know, and we also used a lot of rainwater, so it's just beautiful. We got our own little rocky hill here. I mean, there's rocks everywhere where we are. We're in the Canadian Shield, so there's rocks everywhere, but that's really cool. I can see the kids and grandkids even having fun at this property. And so yeah. So got myself a good pair of rain boots yesterday, but really happy for that. So there's our well. And so what we've been doing is just pumping it. There we go. And the well is really full right now. So that's what we've been doing. And I love this. I love it so much. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here, bro. Oh, you're gonna go out to the road. You little stinker. There's our house from the well. So we are up on high ground, which is good.